Today, we are going to go over the proper procedure for using the JC Whitlam FLOW-AIDE System Descaler Kit. Included in your kit, you will have one 3.5-gallon bucket, one 800-gallon per hour pump, two rubber hoses, 1 quart of FLOW-AIDE, and service tags. Proper use of the FLOW-AIDE system will greatly improve the efficiency and the life of your tankless water heater. So let's get started. Remove all contents of the FLOW-AIDE service kit and set aside. Place the service bucket under the tankless water heater. Turn off the power to the tankless water heater and disconnect the power from the outlet. Some heaters may require power to activate a solenoid to allow for circulation during service. If the tankless unit is fueled by natural gas or propane, turn off the gas supply. Turn off the hot and cold isolation valves by turning the supply line valves to the closed position. If isolation valves are not present, turn off the main water supply. Locate the service valves, which are typically located under the tankless heater. With the service valves in the open position, remove the service caps from the hot and cold service valves. Connect one end of the hose with the female connections provided in the service kit to the cold service valve port, and the other end of the same hose to the threaded connection on the Easy 800 pump. Pour 1 gallon of water into the FLOW-AIDE bucket. Place the connected pump in the FLOW-AIDE bucket. Connect the second provided hose with a female and male connection to the hot service valve port, and place the male end of the hose in the bucket. Add the contents of the 1 quart bottle of Whitlam's FLOW-AIDE Biodegradable Descaler to the bucket. Additional FLOW-AIDE may be necessary in larger or heavily scaled systems. The water and FLOW-AIDE solution should adequately cover the pump housing. Turn the hot and cold service valves to the closed position. Plug the pump into a grounded receptacle. Never allow the pump to run without adequate liquid in the bucket, or damage to the pump will occur. Allow the pump to circulate Whitlam FLOW-AIDE solution through the heater for 25 to 30 minutes. Once completed, unplug the pump. Turn the cold service valve back to the open position. Remove the hose from the cold service valve and replace the service cap. Disconnect the hose from the pump and remove the pump from the bucket. Discard the Whitlam FLOW-AIDE Biodegradable solution. Flush the tankless water heater with fresh water. With the hose still attached to the hot service valve port, place the opposite end of the hose into a drain. If necessary, connect the second hose provided to extend the reach up to 10 feet. Open the cold isolation valves or turn the water supply back on. Allow water to flush through the tankless water heater for 3 to 5 minutes. If a drain is not accessible, flush directly into a bucket and empty periodically. While flushing the tank, rinse the pump in a sink with fresh water for 3 to 5 minutes to ensure the longevity of the pump. After flushing, turn the hot service valve to the open position. Remove the hose and replace the service cap. Connect power to the water heater and return the appliance to service. Use the service tag that was included in the kit to determine the last day of service. Service the tankless water heater units yearly or biannually in hard water areas. For more information, visit FLOW-AIDE.com. Trust Whitlam Manufacturing for all your plumbing and HVAC needs. Visit jcwhitlam.com to explore their full range of over 300 high-quality products.